Okay, taxiing out to take off. Taking off.
China cleared. Gear up.
Okay.
Landing right to left.
Time remaining 2 minutes.
Oh. Really?
Gear down.
Okay, touch and go from the right.
Landing flaps.
Oh, come on. We're not synchronized, man.
I know. Don't worry, we will be. I got it. I got more packs.
Let's have one more, yeah.
I'll do at least
Man,
one.
wait.
At least one with you.
They never say landing or taking off or whatever.
I
Yes, they do
I
whatever they want.
don't know.
Jesus. Yep. With flaps?
Yeah.
Flaps up.
Yeah, I love this car. It's so
It's fun, isn't
so
it?
reliable, man.
Yeah.
So novel.
And it does exactly what you want.
to do, it does it.
Yeah. Nobody's flying, so we'll do a fast pass.
Time remaining
Soldiers.
1 minute.
Yeehaw!
Do one from the left. Why not? Nobody here.
Seconds.
Oh, so cool, man. I love that. The whistle.
The whistle, yeah. So much fun.
Yeah.
Flies like a trainer.
Yeah, it's flies great. So reliable.
Gear down. Landing flaps. Ten, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2.
Ah, I could have done better than that.
Time expired.
Yeah, it was 75% before and I cut it down.
Let's try another one.
Flaps up.
Use less flaps this time. No flaps. Get a good roll.
So all I did was reduce the throws. You could also do expo, I guess.
This will be a full stop landing.
Landing flaps.
Well, then I'll leave.
Go ahead. There we go. Taxiing back.
Flaps up.
Runway clear.